Have you ever wondered how creators are generating ultra-realistic AI videos with just a single prompt? Well, today we're exploring one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms, Higsfield.ai. Higgsfield's mission is simple: to become the most creator-friendly platform ever made. And in today's video, we're highlighting their newest upgrade, Veo 3.1. It's a focused upgrade over Veo 3, offering cleaner, studio quality sound, sharper imagery, and better prompt control for the most accurate results. With Veo 3.1, you can create the most realistic talking videos with improved sound quality, generate long cinematic scenes with unmatched consistency, and even make short-form content with up to 2 scene cuts in 8 seconds, perfect for reels, shorts, or teasers. You can also combine it with other Higgsfield features for the best storytelling experience. Soul ID plus Veo 3.1 for realistic videos with top-notch sound design. Nano Banana, Seedream plus Veo 3.1 for product videos and smooth storytelling. If you want to create AI-generated videos, the process is super simple. Just click on the video button and here you'll see the main video generation interface. Here, you can type your text prompt for the kind of video you want to create. If you want, you can also upload a reference image for better accuracy. Let's try it out with this prompt. A street magician playing guitar in an alleyway, slight camera shake, natural bokeh, and city background sound. Now I'll select the model. This time I'm going with Google Veo 3.1 because it's currently trending and provides cleaner, studio quality sound and better prompt control for more accurate results. You can also find other models like Van 2.5 or Sora Pro, but Veo 3.1 gives the most realistic and consistent output. Next, choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 or 9:16, and select the video quality. You can also upload a reference image for more realism. For example, I'll upload a man playing guitar in the street. Then hit generate again, and Higsfield will create the video based on that reference.
Oh, this city sleeps, but my heart won't rest. Gotta keep moving on to the...
After a short wait, the result looks stunning. Smooth motion, natural lighting, and crystal clear sound, thanks to Veo 3.1's HD rendering. The video looks professional and cinematic, perfect for creators who want crispy 720p or 1080p results in just a few clicks. Now, let's try something more action-packed. Police car chasing a black sports car. Through a tunnel, headlights flickering, dust and smoke effects. Camera switching between chase and overhead angles. This time, I'll upload 2 car images, one of a police car and another of a black sports car. I'll select Google Veo 3.1 and hit generate. Once it's done, our new video is ready. Complete with realistic sound, camera motion, and cinematic visual effects. It's rendered in HD quality with crisp detail and the audio feels immersive, just like a real action movie scene. Now let's create something funny. This time I'll upload an image of a monkey and enter this prompt. A monkey wearing sunglasses and a backpack, walking through a busy city street, holding a mini camera like a vlogger, people watching and laughing, cinematic depth of field, and realistic motion. I'll hit generate, and within seconds, our hilarious AI video is ready. You can clearly see the monkey vlogging through the streets. It's so funny and looks incredibly lifelike. This perfectly shows the image to video feature. You can create realistic people, animals, and character-driven motion scenes easily. Higsfield.ai and Veo 3.1 together give you realism, motion accuracy, and professional sound design, all in one tool. Now, let's explore the image feature. Click on the image button, and here you can generate stunning visuals just by typing text prompts, or upload a reference image for more accurate results. For example, let's try this prompt. Close-up portrait of a woman with wind in her hair, golden sunset light, emotional cinematic tone, detailed skin texture. Now, select a model. There are several options like Higgsfield South, Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, Flux Max, GPT Image, and many more. I'll choose Higgsfield South this time. Next, pick your aspect ratio, then adjust the quality and quantity and hit generate. After a short wait, the result is a breathtaking, realistic portrait with crisp detail and perfect lighting. That's the power of Higgsfield's HD quality rendering. Every frame looks lifelike and artistically precise. Let's try another prompt. A couple walking through a busy Tokyo street in the rain, reflections on wet pavement, cinematic lighting, 8K realism. Hit generate again. And within seconds, another amazing image is ready, proving Higgsfield's ability to handle complex cinematic scenes with incredible consistency. So, that's how you can create both AI videos and images using Higsfield.ai. It's fast, easy to use, and incredibly powerful, especially with the new Veo 3.1 update that enhances sound, quality, and prompt accuracy. The link to Higsfield.ai is available in the video description. Go try it out and start creating your own cinematic AI videos today. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI tool tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.